Hi guys, welcome back to the Cupcake channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Little Pony stickers that I got like a while back. I was going to make a video, but I forgot about it, so I didn't really get to make it. Yeah. If you want to shout out, just turn on the post notifications and comment down below your name and you did. And turn on the post notifications. And yeah. So, this video is sponsored by Hashbro, whatever this is. Yeah, Hashbro. Thank you for sending me, thank you for these stickers. So yeah, I already used some of it, so, look. Wait guys. Okay guys, so, yeah, here are the stickers that I got. I got, My Little Pony stickers. I got Flourish. Hi guys! This one right here. Oh my god. Got this one, Pinkie Pie. And I got Rainbow Dash. Got another Pinkie Pie. I got Applejack. Got some pink hearts. And yeah. Oh, and this little guy right here from the movie. Hi guys. So yeah guys. Oh, and I got this one right here. I forgot what her name is. I think I'm gonna use Pinkie Pie. She's really fun. I love Pinkie Pie. Oh, she is here. I'm gonna put it on. And then I also have this squishy here. It's super slow rising. I also have this guy here. Hey guys, welcome back. And guys, I'm about to go get my friend. So if you guys wait right here, I'll see you guys when I get my friend. Okay guys, I have a special guest for you. Wanna say hi from the viewers? Here she is. Hi guys. Her name is Sparkle. Yeah. So what do you want to say from the viewers? I don't know. I'm so shy. Yeah, she is. She is slayed with glitter, guys. I'm not even lying. That horn, this is her. Her hair is very messy, guys. So I'm gonna make the hair. I'm gonna brush her hair out. So yeah. I got a purple Trolls brush. I don't know what's the name of this one. Get down her hair, guys. Look at all that hair. So let me brush it. Oh, that hurts. Sorry. Ow. So yeah, guys, if you want to purchase one of these, they'll be in the bottom. All the information are on these. So yeah, she is so adorable. Oh wait.
I'm sorry.
And me too.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I said wrong if she jumped. not scratching her belly.
Okay, guys, I'm about to put her hair up. Get a pink hair tie. I am gonna put it in pigtails. So yeah, guys. There you go. Got one pigtail done. Now let's get the other one ready. There you go, unicorn. Thank you. Where's my unicorn? I think this one has more hair. But yeah. There she is, guys. Hi. Well, guys, but before I end this video, I'm gonna take you on. Get up. Okay, my unicorn. So yeah, guys, here's my pictures here. They're so cute and up and down. And my dog. Well, I'm gonna be playing with some putty. So I have this putty here. Be playing with it's two colors, but I already mixed them up to then make this color here. So yeah, guys. This is so soft, guys. I wish you could. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out.